Good afternoon, brothers and sisters of Delta Fraternity, August 21, 1961, which was founded by Emmanuel Oy Cuanco at the UST College of Engineering. This is about the logo of the fraternity. The wings symbolizes the honor of the fraternity and sorority. The triangle symbolizes the strength and unity of the officers and members of both fraternity and sorority. The pillars symbolizes good spirit fostered by the fraternity and sorority, man with great responsibility. The Delta word stands for dignity, E for equality, L for the loyalty, T trustworthy, and A affability. Thank you, brothers and sisters, and God bless us all.